Hi, welcome back. Question of the day 50. Choose valid correct option from schedule and category customization in SAP ECC or S4 HANA. So let's read through the options. A is auto purchase requisition. B, relevant for billing. C, transfer of requirements. D, movement type control. And E, weight volume relevant. All of the above. Let's try to choose either single or multiple answers might be correct or all might be correct. If you know the right answer, you can able to comment at comment section. So anyhow, in next video, I'll try to break the answer for this question. So if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Currently holding 800 and plus videos. And this is my dedicated Udemy forum. Currently, I'm holding 5,906 students. And this is one of my prime course. If you're looking for SAP SD 112 hours. And these are the two different courses. One is for idoc training and another one is getting master. I specifically recommend these two courses for all functional consultants, irrespective of the function module, what they are going to handle. idocs are very, very important in real time. And writing functional specification is the actual real-time process for functional consultants for after gathering the requirement and how to write it and CR and everything. A lot of things explained over there. This is one of my prime course currently holding 2,000 students. This is for pricing. And with that inspiration, I have done one more course with advanced level. You can able to give a try these two courses to have a full-fledged learning for pricing. And I'm just providing these links around 20 plus courses at my end. If you really want, you can able to subscribe and you can enhance your knowledge. Thanks for joining the session. Have a great day. Jai Bharat.